incredible honor to give a speech in front of this. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let us all give thanks to God for His blessing so that we can be together here in a good health. Ladies and gentlemen, what is emancipation of women? Some of you might think that it's a movement to make females equal to males or to make females more superior than males. If you think so, then let me tell you something. Emancipation of women is not about equality between women and men or superiority of women to men. It is all about an opportunity for everyone to choose freely. Did I say everyone? Yes, everyone, both women and men. Women's emancipation is not limited to women only. It is all because this movement believes that both women and men have a right to make a genuine choice in their lives. This includes the choice of their jobs, their education, their roles, and their future. According of the traditional beliefs, it was wrong for women and men to do duties outside just which were designated for them. For example, women were forbidden to participate in politics, and men were not manly if they did chores. However, women's emancipation gets rid of this traditional belief and roles, and gives women and men freedom to choose their own roles in the society. As a result, now women can participate in politics, business, and other aspects which used to be men's domain only. And men can participate in everything that used to be for women only. My respect lecturer and dearest friend, the women's emancipation was of course not easy to be obtained. The emancipation that we know today was fought for more than a century. It must have been extremely hard for the people who fought for it that it needed very long time to be established. That is why we should be very grateful for them by respecting and maintaining women's emancipation. To respect and to maintain it, we, as a student, as a lecturer, should not violate the product of the movement on education by studying hard, and we, as a humans, should respect each other's rights. After all, women's emancipation movement aims to make us to be better, a person who can respect our own self and others. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of my speech. Thank you for your time and attention you have given to me. I hope this speech can enlighten all of you about women emancipation is. Thank you so much.